Good morning, my name is Valentina Herrera Gutierrez. This is my kitchen and I'm going to tell you about the foods that there are in my refrigerator. On the top, there is a small orange yogurt. There is a packet of crackers. Also, there is a pound of cheese. There is a pound of ham. There are some chili snacks. There is a packet of blackberry jam. And there is a milk bag. In the second compartment, there are 5 red apples and 5 green apples. In the next compartment, there are 5 pears, there are 2 kiwis, and there is a banana. In the fourth compartment, there is a can of beer. Below, there is a bell pepper, there are 2 cucumbers, there is a 3 heads of garlic, there are 4 carrots, and there are 4 tomatoes. In the fridge door, there is a packet of ketchup, there are 2 eggs, and there is a pound of oatmeal. Thank you very much.